All right, guys, so we're back at it again. This is one of those how to do it yourself and save some money. So I just ordered some LED fog lights. I'm gonna show you guys. These are the old ones right there. Those are the old ones I used to go right there that I actually already took off. So I already took it off, and then I left the cable there, and the power cable. So those are the old ones I took off, and these are the new ones, the LEDs. The good thing about LEDs, they're actually brighter and they waste less electricity. So these are pretty good. They're pretty good price. I think they're about $40 on Amazon. You can't beat that for the pair. I'm gonna leave a link on the video if you guys like it. It's very bright. I think, if I remember correctly, on the description of the actual light, I think there are 70 watts. You know, I'm gonna double check, but I think there's 70 watts in LED, so that means probably, like, I'm guessing like 150 on regular incandescent lights. So it's gonna be really nice. Like, you know, it has a lot of LEDs there. Has a lot of LEDs. This is one of the brighter ones for the price, because I think when you go to like West Marine or the other name brand ones, they're like $100 and something. So hopefully these are good. They look good, so we'll see. So let me show you guys how to do a quick install. What you need is, I already have anything that you do electronically in a boat, you need heat shrink. So, you know, this is a really good box that you could buy with all the sizes that you're gonna need. And I guess I got it from Amazon too, and I'll leave you the link for that. It's pretty cheap. Forget how much I paid. I was like 18 bucks for all of these. And we're gonna use the red ones because the red ones are for the smaller gauge. And another thing that you're gonna need is, you're gonna need they sell a specialized heat thing, but I'm gonna use this lighter here that I bought, that you see. That's wind resistant. It has really powerful flame. And then you need the actual crimpers. So let me get to work. So this is something if you want to do yourself, and it's pretty easy. It's you really have to be no knowledge. I mean, it's simple, just easy with, you know, good with your hands. So let me get 2 for this side. Okay, something I forgot, you actually have to build the light when it comes in the kit. So you got to put the little bracket that goes here. I kind of forgot. Oop, I done lost my nut. There it is. Okay, I'll put the side nuts in here. This is simple to do too. I mean, I wonder why they don't come built. Oh well, I guess one less person to pay at the factory. So it brings his own Allen wrench and everything, so it's pretty cool. And the nuts are, I mean, the screws and nuts are stainless steel, so, you know, hopefully gonna last a long time without getting rusted, because, you know, everything in salt water gets rusted. So you go ahead and tighten it more or less. Tighten it, but not just a little bit, enough so you can move the bracket around, because and then you're gonna tighten it later on. All right, so you see, got the bracket on, and let's put it up there. All right, so let me go ahead and put it in. This you could go ahead and tighten it all, not all the way, but almost all the way. There. And then we got the cables here that I have to clean up. Oh, this is pretty hard. What's going on up in here? There it goes. All right, we're gonna crimp it. Remember, always go black with black and red with red. And that's something I learned about LEDs, that you have to be correct with the color, because if not, if you do it backwards, the LED won't light up. So you gotta make sure it's black with black and red with red.
Doesn't that happen with LED?
No, it's not. Regular light bulb, you can switch it backwards and it'll work. But LEDs, you can't. LEDs has to be a certain way, or the LED doesn't light up. It happened to me already. I installed the LEDs and I'm like, why is it not turning on? Because I had it backwards, the cable. Because I thought it didn't matter.
Yeah, but wouldn't you put it anyways?
Yeah, but if somewhere the cable got installed wrong, you know, I think it's doing the right thing. Okay, now here we go. This is the part that you really need. Now we have a problem. It's really windy, so hopefully I can get it to work. Oh, it's too windy. There we go. You see it shrinking and it's turning off. All right, you gotta make sure it shrinks, because that's why it lets no moisture into the.
You're putting it too close, I think, to the wire.
Ow! I'm burnt. All right, that one. Ah, that one got me. That one got me. Ooh, I burned the wire now. Uh-oh, they glued together. All right, so now it's pretty hot, mine. All right, so now push the cable back in to the slot. You only need a little bit out. Push it back in, back in, back in. And there we go. First light on. Oh, and I got it too tight. Let me see. Now I will go ahead and tighten it back a little bit. All right, so there goes that one light. Now let's jump on the other side. Very good, man. Very good for you today. All right, so I already installed this one. I'm doing it kind of quick because, you know, I'm in a hurry about this, because I'm hungry. I gotta go to lunch, so I'm installing the second bulb already. I mean, the second cable connection. Remember, you have to do this, because if not, salt water get to the cable.
Or moisture.
And the moisture, and that's it, and it's all over, baby. And sooner or later the cable turns green and it breaks and then oxidizes and it turns, and then you have no power back here. So now you stick the little cable back in into the hole. All right, try to leave as least as possible there, and then that's it. There you go. There you go. You got that one there. You got that one there, and then you got that one there. And go ahead, turn on the switch. Just check it out. Boom! And they're on. There you go. So, that's all, folks. So, that's it. So it's a pretty easy job. It's like 15-20 minutes. You could do it yourself. Just remember, make sure you get the positive and negatives correctly, because then the LED won't work. So I'm gonna leave in the links below all the stuff that I use. So if you guys want to use the same, these lights are pretty bright. They're really bright. I like them. I already tried 2 different LEDs and these were the brightest, and they're good for the price. It's I think a pair for 40 bucks more or less. So, you know, it's a good deal, and they're really bright. So all right, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.